it is.
Cinnamon challenge.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh no.
That's enough.
Come on, slow as.
Why don't you unscrew it? We black people, I'm sorry. It is. Oh man. That's it. That's the damn teaspoon. Shit. How the fuck am I supposed to eat that shit?
Cousin.
How the F we supposed to eat this ass? Oh, let's do it over. I said bad words. I said bad words.
Okay. I got more than you. Hold on.
Yeah, go on, give me all the damn cinnamon.
Okay. You ready?
Ready.
You gonna do it at the same time?
Same time.
Alright.
Ready.
Wait, what's both? Okay. 1.
Can you put sugar in it?
No. Ready? 1, 2, 3.